Wouldn't it be awesome if cats were guns?
Yes.
Cats is guns.
I'm gonna rob this place.
Put the gun down, man. Cats is guns.
Where are you planning on telling her? Just have a good time. Feel free to be yourself, but remember, don't all be too.
Cats is guns. Cats is guns.
Hey guys, I know I haven't posted a video in like a really long time, but I came across something just amazing. Just watch. Toby, no. Toby, no. Work with me. I don't understand.
That was your first time finding out? I've known about this forever. Cats is dogs is guns. Hey everyone, thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Also, if you really liked it, click the subscribe button below so you can see more of our stuff.